All right, so today we're going to take a look at this wall sconce light. So manufacturer is Dongguang. It's a wall light. So let's go ahead and get out of its box. Open the box here. Already got the tape cut. Nice solid cardboard, which is awesome. First thing we have here is the light fixture instructions. So it gives us the profile, packing list, all the dimensions, everything like that we'll need to get it installed. So definitely want to keep a hand on that. We have a warranty, so you can activate your warranty and get a free gift. So that's really cool. It's nice when companies have a warranty because it shows you that you trust their product, which is great. Here we have the remote control cabinet light. So it has a remote control, a LED puck light, here's some mounting pad, and just some guides for that. Here is the puck light itself. Pretty cool. These are the Cree LEDs in there, so those are kind of top of line, best ones. That's what you want. Here we have the remote, so we'll use that for the puck light. Let's go ahead. They always come with a little tab. You want to pull that out, then the battery is actually connecting. All right. We have again just some more instructions. And here we go. So here's the first part of our wall sconce. Really cool. We'll get that packaged. And then we have some hardware. And we have the sconce part. Go ahead, get this all packaged, and then take a closer look. All right, so here we have the base of our sconce. This is what actually is going to go into the wall. It has a cool mounting plate here. So what we'll do is we'll just put the mounting plate on the wall, mark a couple holes, drill it in. So that's really nice, easy to use, best way to install lights than trying to measure and everything. So it's a nice feature. Solid metal construction with like a matte finish. And here we have the actual socket where the light bulb will go. So very cool there. Here we have the sconce part. So, you know, this is what's going to hang down, what the light's going to shine out from. Pretty self-explanatory there. And here, this is actually pretty cool. This light has two different functions. So you can use it and hardwire it into the wall, use it like a normal light bulb, or don't hardwire it. You can put this little thing in, and then we can put our puck light into that. So our puck light will mount right into this, and that's what we use for our lights. You don't have to do any hardwiring, anything like that. You can still have a great light. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed and check it out. All right, so here we are. We're gonna highlight the installation process. I apologize for the lighting. It's gonna be a little bit dim. That's part of the reason why I'm putting the light here in this corner. It's just all dim, so I wanted a nice, easy solution for that. So what you wanna do is just wanna put it up at the desired level. And then you're gonna wanna make sure that these two screws, move the camera a little bit, that they're level, because that's what's gonna be holding your sconce. You want them to be nice and level, just like so. Then you're gonna use a Sharpie to mark your holes. So I'm gonna use these two installation holes. Really easy, you can just use your Sharpie, push it in like that. As you can see, I have my two dots for the holes. I'm gonna head drill those, install the braces, and be good to mount it. All right, so as you can see, now we have the mounting plate locked onto the wall. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is, since we are using the battery pack light, we're gonna take our lamp here and screw this adapter in. So that's super easy, just like putting a light bulb in. It's a cake, nothing crazy. You want that in just nice and snug. Then you want to install your 3 AAA batteries into your light. Cool thing about this light is that it has the remote control. You can also just tap it on and off, go through the 3 modes. So pretty neat. We're gonna just stick this right in here. Boom, get it locked in. So you can see we have the puck inside, just like that. Really nice. Next you want to do is you want to take off these little screw caps. We're gonna take those off. Just unscrew them nice and easy. Line this up. And since we're not using the wire, we're just gonna kind of tuck it up inside. If you ever want to switch to being hardwired, we still have that option, which is great. Right now in an apartment, so can't do any hardwiring. When we move to a house, take this with us. We'll definitely be doing that. All right, so there's one side in, you just kind of got to get them lined up. Might take you a second, but you'll get there. There's the other side. Now once you have them in, you're just gonna want to screw these caps right back on. Perfect. Just like that. And just like that. So right now we have our light. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit to make it easier to see. So again, this is a dark corner, so I do apologize for the poor lighting, but that's where we're putting this in. So now we've got our handy dandy nifty little remote. Go ahead, press on, powers on, off, powers off. We can change the brightness, so we can decrease it. We can increase it. When you get to the top level or the bottom level, it flashes. That's how you know you're at the top. You have an automatic like 50%, 100%. Really cool there. Also has a timer, 15, 30, 60 in an hour and 20 minutes. So that's awesome. And then here are different light modes. We can do the warm white. Then we can do the NW, that might stand for neutral white, natural white. I'm not sure, but that's kind of in the middle. And then we have this blue one, which is cool white. So that's kind of the most blue. I personally like warm light. That's probably what I'll use. But here we have it. This is this awesome LED sconce. Highly recommend it. It has some nice functionality. As you can see, super easy to install. It took me 5 minutes. And you can also hardwire it if you want something a little more permanent. Highly recommend you check it out.